Click Auto Replace Nozzle button. You can select one or all three trigger modes. Here we use the pierce count mode as an example. Click Save. Open the layer page. Then open the pierce page. And make sure all piercing settings are configured correctly. Click the Auto Clean Standard button. Next, click Condition Met. The machine will continue cutting according to the preset program and automatically clean the nozzle. After the cleaning process is completed, perform capacitance calibration. Then the machine is ready to continue cutting.